Dovizioso versus Marquez, Honda versus Ducati. Marquez makes his move, big man on the front end, can he hold his stick? Dovizioso tries to fight back.
Side by side they are. It is Dovi versus Marquez, but Marquez has asked questions earlier than usual. He goes through but can't make it his front end. Oh my word, he's asking questions of that. Oh, here he goes. He sets him up. He's lost momentum. They both run wide. Here comes Dovizioso. Oh my word, the checkered flag is out. Who's going to win this one? It looks like the top step is stained in red once more. Dovizioso just gets it on the line.
It's an absolute carbon copy of 1 year ago. You knew Marc Marquez was going to throw the kitchen sink. It came, bolts, nuts galore, but he couldn't make it stick. He picked up Dovizioso. Dovizioso knew the move was coming, and on the cut back, he took the victory. Again, the winning margin just 0.02 of a second, just like it was last year.